In the quiet whispers we hear it calling, a melody so pure, a symphony enthralling, the sound of tomorrow's dawn breaking through night, hope and promise in every note that takes flight. The sound of tomorrow, singing our dreams alive. In harmony with the future, we all strive. With courage as our chord and love as our refrain, we'll dance to the rhythm of a hopeful rain. Beneath the moonlit sky where stars align, tomorrow echoes back in every design. A future painted with hues yet unseen, in every heartbeat and whispered machine. The sound of tomorrow rings out clear and bright, guiding us onward into the light. Through trials we'll face and battles to win, tomorrow's song will always begin within. A world reborn from yesterday's ashes, new chapters written in fresh remnants. With every note that sings of the dawn, the sound of tomorrow is beautifully drawn. Tomorrow's yet untold, mysteries to explore, infinite possibilities waiting at our door. A symphony composed on a canvas wide, where dreams and reality coincide. The sound of tomorrow sings in the breeze. Through every triumph, loss and tease, we'll find our way through the unknown, to a place where hope has grown.